Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2025 Ram 1500 Longhorn Crew Cab in ivory white. With adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 20-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 14.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, panoramic sunroof, power tailgate release, 3.0-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7958.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.